Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G45 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So we will start with removing the account because this operation is quite tricky. Let's open the settings. Let me go back and let's scroll down to find Google. Google. I just wanted to show you that I'm already logged in, and if you're also, you are not able to remove the Google account using this section. For some reason, the Google services won't show you the information to remove Google account right here. But no worries, we can still fix that. Let's go back to the general settings and go to the passwords, passkeys, and accounts. As you can see here, we've got the section Accounts for Owner and we've got our Google account added. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it, and here we are finally able to tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again and your device will immediately remove it. Obviously make sure to have internet connection and be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. And if you wish to add the account, you can either do it right here or in this previous Google account. It's totally up to you. So let me do it here. Let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, as I said, because it's required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's totally up to you. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so just enter the password and tap on Next, which will appear somewhere here. So now we can decide who will be using this device. So just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. So here we've got the information about the backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.